Pinto. Pinto, that hurted.
That one's Pinto and
Yeah, this one's Pinto. He's fluffy.
confused because they're both black.
Yeah. You fluffy boy. Bean's not as fluffy as Pinto, so that's how we tell them apart.
Bean.
Yeah, he's fluffy. Oh, he's gonna escape. Oh, never mind. He's just gonna dig into my knee. That's so nice. So nice and so nice and so totally comfortable. My knee. He's digging into my knee. You know the spot where like the doctors hit. Help! I'm dying. I'll find Bean and get a video of Bean later. But can we not dig into my knee, please, Bugs? Pinto, that hurts. Pinto, you're hurting me. Stop. Please. Please? Please? Thank you. Okay, no, never mind. We'll be fine. Everything's fine. Ow!